I've upgraded my baritone with some strings called Tomastic Infeld from Vienna. And these are guitar strings, flat wound steel strings. And this has transformed my baritone into a low octave ukulele, which is GCEA. And I'm also using the Peterman acoustic pickups because this particular instrument doesn't have a pickup. So if I want to use it with the amp, I'm going to need the external pickup. This is a preset called Cozy Serenade on this beautiful amp here. So the strings are lovely, they glide. Oh man, look at my life, I'm a lot like you. So that is these classic S strings. How cool is that? It has transformed that into something quite nice. I found two presets that I really like. One's called Cozy Serenade and this one's called